in a while this happens. GoPro won't turn on at all. And basically what I gotta do is take the battery out. So you slide over the door here, off the cover, pull the battery out, and just a simple matter of resetting it. And put the door back in. There we go. Fire it up. There it is. Alright. Just happens once in a while. That's the easy fix, which most of you probably have figured out if you had something like that happen. Happens with cell phones too. That's why I really like cell phones where you can actually remove the battery, because without that function, you know, if you got a glitch like that, at least you're able to do something about it when you can actually remove the battery. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. If you like these kinds of tips and tricks and methods of getting things done, check out my book, Kung Fu Maintenance. It's only $2.99 as an ebook. You can get it as a regular book, and it's a little bit more expensive, but my thought there was showing you guys how to make the most likely improvements and maintenance and repairs on the most likely things that you're going to need to fix in your lifetime. Thanks for watching. And if you like the music, you can get the albums or you can get the individual songs. Links are in the description below. Check them out.